Divine's Blessings, Divine's Love Seminar. Welcome you all. This is AMRITA, VIMALA. Hope you are all doing well. Raja Yoga Meditation Part 9. In this video, I am going to teach Heart Concentrating Meditation. Dear ones, both meditations and life are much easier when your head and heart are in the same place. Now we will say how to meditate in our heart. Learning to concentrate from our heart is a precious thing in our life. This is the introductions. Listen very carefully. Before seeing this video, please subscribe, share and click bell icon, and also please give your comments. This will encourage me. First, bring to mind something that moves your heart and body to a state of love. The main thing I want to flag up with this concentrating heart meditation to engage, make it relatively easy to focus and increase the level of bliss in your heart and rapture that we can experience through meditative concentration much more readily and rapidly. This heartfulness meditation is a heart-centered practice that replaces strict focused concentrations with a gentle inward focus on the presence of inner light. It emphasizes feeling the heart's natural intelligence over mental effort, making it a highly accessible practice for a modern daily routine life. According to the heartfulness mythology, the meditation process is composed of the following course stages. Number 1, body relaxation. Before meditations, you have to relax your body. That is the mythology in heartfulness meditation. Find a quiet place to sit comfortably. Close your eyes and gently relax your body. You can follow heartfulness relaxations YouTube link I will give in description box, which involves scanning the body from the toes to the head, systematically relaxing the tensions. Number 2, concentrations and focus. Instead of actively concentrating, you use a supposition to guide your awareness. Turn your attention inward to the area of your heart in the center of your chest. Suppose that the source of divine light is already present. Think like that. That is, you have to think a divine light is present in our heart, and this divine light is attracting you inward. Gently seek into that feeling of lightness and presence. Third one is handling distractions. That means how to handle thoughts of distractions during meditations. Okay? If thought arises, do not fight with them. Treat them like clouds in the sky. Clouds in the sky will pass, no? Likewise, you have to treat the thoughts. while we doing the meditations. Whenever you realize that your mind has wandering, gently redirect your attention back to the light in your heart. Just do this meditation nearly 30 minutes, then you will find your heart light and positive vibration, and spiritual knowledge will increase. Divine gratitude